Oh my God, it is so windy. Ho, ho, ho. It's really, really windy. Wow. I mean, ironically, it's actually literally died down just as I said that. Oh, yeah. Not a lot's happened. I do have garlic. Now, I want to say a massive thank you to Mel, because I was going to go to the my local nurseries and buy another £3.99 garlic, because as you know, I've already planted garlic there, and I just wanted to fill that bed up really. And Mel, you said, oh, I'll go and get organic garlic and plant that. It works really well all the time, you know, like you do this every year. Yeah, so I actually went to Waitrose. I never shop at Waitrose, but I thought, no, I'm going to go to Waitrose. You can't see the label because it's flying about, and buy their organic garlic, which this is £1.15 for 3, whereas the nursery one was £3.99 for 2. And I'm just going to plant this. We're just going to stick it in the ground. Try to anyway, in the wind. Because look, it's really blustery. I do hope you can hear me. I mean, I've got the microphone on, but that should be enough. So let's just get this in the ground, because it's not great. This weather. I'm going to take the fleece off. This was just to stop the birds from pulling up the garlic that I planted a couple of weeks ago, because it's been a couple of weeks since. And it is actually, where are we? We're near the end of November. What is the date? I think it's the 23rd. I don't even know what day it is. It's Sunday, I know that much. And we've had this is STORM Bert. I think it's STORM Bert. Let me know if you know, what's the weather like where you are? Because this is blowing a hoolie. I mean, we've been quite lucky compared to some places weather-wise. It's 16 degrees, so it's quite warm after that snow. We had snow the other day. Right, come on, let's just plant this. I'm going to put you down. If you fall over, it's the wind, not me, all right? Let's get this planted. Right, you're going to fall over, I know it. Still lovely and clear. The pond's looking great. I mean, there's lots of leaves. I should get them out. Wow, so windy. Okay, come on, let's do this. Right, let's get my gloves on. Ooh. Ooh. I'll just weigh that down. Let's get this garlic open and broken up. Where did I put the scissors? There we go. Rosie, there's a good girl. Right, off, come on. Wow. My arch is still standing. The camera's wobbling. The wind is strong. Wow. Okay. I need a dibber, but I'm going to use a screwdriver as a dibber, because I really do need a dibber. Never mind, I don't have one right now, so we're going to improvise. I'm going to put these relatively close together. Oh, the wind's dying down, and I am really warm. Just put a little one there. There, some of them are little. Oh, get another one. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Got a baby one. I'm going to put a baby one somewhere else. Where am I going to put that? Oh. Whew. Some of them have kind of come out for some reason. Considering it was covered, I don't know how that's happened. Unless Rosie walked over it, because she doesn't really know about paths. Ugh. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. Right, I've got to get these in. That's come out. Let's put that back in. Can't see. Right. Gosh. Oh. Help. Oh no. There. Lost my place. Oh, okay. Wow, I'm going to ache tomorrow bending over like that. They're in. So now the whole bed is garlic, which is great. So yeah, let's cover these up just to stop the birds pulling them up, because I know garlic need the cold, don't they? Oh, whew. Right, done. So hopefully, well, we'll keep an eye on the other garlic, because it's been in for 2 weeks. Some had been pulled up like that, or had been raised. I don't know how, but I can see green shoots starting to appear in some of them, so that's good. Let's cover them a bit more. Okay, look at this. I mean, whew, I look like I've been dragged through a hedge backwards. Right, quick and short and sweet. Get that garlic. Thanks, Mel. Top tip, really top tip. I'll be doing that every year now. 100%, saves so much money. Well, we'll see how they turn out, but I'm sure they'll be great. If you have reliable results. And the arch, still there. It's got nothing on it. Won't blow down. Love you and leave you. Take care, everybody. Have a great week. See you next week.